I believe the design thinking process was very beneficial to this museum and would be to all other museums. Empathy is naturally a huge part of art museums because people connect to the art in all types of ways. In this particular instance, Trejo found that they needed to connect with the Latino community with the artwork. In addition, he wanted to break the traditional rules of art museums' no touching. I love how they had no idea what was going to go in the space, but used the design thinking method to come up with it. Crystal Bridges Museum and Henry Trejo helped blaze the way for other museums that now use design thinking. This was in 2018. I did a quick search on Indeed to see how many design thinking museum jobs popped up, and there were 5 pages of careers to scroll through. Trejo said that the key part in his job is empathizing with the visitors. He said he is constantly asking how what they are creating at the museum is affecting them and improving their lives. This museum, like all museums, is closed right now, but I can tell from their website that they are still trying to make connections with their patrons. They have posted on their blog about a weekly #CBFromHome project to keep children engaged. They also have interviews with artists on their website, as well as outreach to the community, virtual tours and exhibits, and coloring pages of the artwork at the museum that anyone can do from home. This particular image that you see is part of the Social Connecting campaign. The artwork is being drawn on postcards to be colored by the community and sent in the mail. It is being organized by Crystal Bridges to help those vulnerable to the negative effects of isolation, particularly those in hospitals and senior living facilities.